Some people speak in Jericho. Call the walls to dust. Sing their autumn leaves down dry. Walk their winters in the park, speaking in green spring music of a bird song. A bird song, Sunday morning, choir recital. Mixed porter wine with breath of life. Saturday midnight, moaning love. Mixed porter wine with sweat of life. You can taste body behind it. Roll it round your mouth. Savour the nature on your tongue. Know that it holds this simple truth for you. The human of the two of us. You and me and all our love lined up in time. Our ancestors inside our shoes step light upon the day. Our ancestors inside our shoes step light upon the day. We're going home together. No one's beyond redemption. All our open hearts combine to find a mother tongue. We're making sky talk for believers. We speak a wider world in here to call the walls dust. It's all to call the walls dust. It's all to call the walls dust. Find truth in the heart of it. The mouths of children bridging rivers. Slow memory of mountains, fractured. Street noise overheard, our Birdman temple in the basement. Cage songs scrape an abstract sky in shadow here underground. There's Bendy Gabriel standing at the altar. Dylan Thomas, Charlie Parker, a horizon held in orbit by the breath of a fallen angel, a seraphim of smoke rings drifting over Soho Square. We're going home together. Our hymnal in these breath-bound books carried on sentient wings. We call it Freedom Church, the future now. A house of true creation. All our open hearts combine to find a mother tongue. We're making sky talk for believers. Sky talk for believers. Sky talk for believers. Sky talk for believers. We speak a wider world in here. In a wider world here. Sky. A wider world in here. Talk for believers. It's all to call the walls to dust. All to call the walls to dust. Yeah. You good?